Yeah, they're happy now. Hey, bit of sand bath. All fenced in here. I have to look into putting a roof on this, like a mesh roof, so keep the hawks out. Keep my birds healthy and alive. Yeah, then the sand I purchased a few bags just to top that area up, and I have to get some more. I'm gonna go top the food up, and this will be part two. I inadvertently shut the first one off, so this will be part two of the chicken thing. I try to make some more exciting videos the next time. So you folks have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye.